This April 23rd is my birthday. I'm turning 19 years old, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing games for 24 hours. We're going to be streaming live on Twitch at YT Profit underscore TV. I hope you guys can make it because it's just going to be a blast. Me and the boys are going to be playing games all day that day, and we're just going to be having fun, man. Make sure you guys join the stream. Tell me where you came from: TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. It doesn't matter. Hope you guys have a great time. I'll see you guys next time.
Yo, dog comes in tomorrow. Checking out the tattoo area tomorrow. Going to the gym tomorrow. No, it goes gym. Turning down this thing. Hey, motherfucker.
12K.
I literally
What?
see the invite on your screen.
Oh. I'm sorry. Fuck. I'm still new to this shit. I haven't played this game in a while, mate.
There we go.
Alright, we going up to the rock or what's good?
Yeah.
Oh, we going up to the rock? Okay, bet. Yeah, I guess.
3, 2, 1, go. Ow! Damn.
Doesn't play this game much, but level 194.
That's old. That is old.
But yeah,
That
this
is-
account, it's over the
This
course
is
of
the-
years.
This is my oldest account, 51. Crazy.
That's just you didn't take care of your account. That's different.
No, I
You
don't play
abandoned
on
it.
this account. Run COD, motherfucker.
I don't have
Nah,
that
it's
installed.
Rocket
Roll
League, Rocket
MW2
League.
snipers only.
Snipers
It's
only.
Rocket League, bro.
We could do the firing squad. Oh, firing squad. Firing range thingy. Snipers.
He's saying on COD, Javon.
Bro, I don't have
Call of
COD.
Duty. Any
That's
Call
why-
of Duty.
That's
Name
why I
one.
said. That's
Name
why
one.
I said.
I like tuna.
That's why.
Yeah, I like tuna. I've never had COD before.
Tuna's fucking disgusting also.
Bro,
What the
what?
fuck?
Tuna's just nasty, bro.
Everyone's entitled to their opinions. Everyone is entitled to their opinion.
Shut the fuck up, like for real. No, tuna is disgusting.
This time.
Just me, you know what I'm saying? Just me.
Yeah. It's just your personal taste. That's alright.
Mhm.
I'm finna DoorDash
Too
me something, bro.
stringy.
I got me.
Look at these sweats. No data on anything.
Ooh, 11/11, make a wish.
Good luck,
Let's
have
do a
fun.
hot zone since this is your video.
No.
No hot
No.
zone?
Sure, why not? First game, hot drop? Sure.
Yeah.
That is not a hot drop. It has
No,
a
no, I
messy
said
there.
hot zone.
No. Hot zone.
Oh, what's a hot zone mean?
Hot zone is
Best loot. Fully kitted
best
weapons.
loot?
and a lot
Yeah,
of people
high
shit.
tier. Yeah.
Hang on.
My life I fucked over, which is.
Alright, let's do
come up
this.
with it.
Who's
I
gonna
think
die
that's a
first
good-
off spawn?
I'm
Chat,
probably
you
just
guess.
gonna go.
Never mind, we gotta stick together. There's a bunch of people.
Oh. Oh, I got
Wow,
a gold
purple
already.
armor right off rip. Crazy.
Damn.
That's insane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
There's a blue one right next to his purple one too. Even more insane.
You got the purple one, right?
No. I got the
Oh, here's my nemesis.
Who's
found
your
a nemesis right here too. The fucking gun.
Oh. I got.
Yep, on me, on me. Man, this bitch is one invisible.
29, 14, 28. I cracked his shield. He's running away. Wraith is running away.
Half toast, half to roast.
You doing good, Javon?
Not really, I can't tell where he is. My headset's
Up
off.
top. My
Yep.
aim is terrible, bro.
Up on top, I see him to the left.
Oh, I see him. Oh! Damn, I didn't grab.
On me.
Ow! Oh, that hurt! That hurt so bad! Oh, that hurt!
God damn. Third party motherfucker.
They didn't grab the shield yet.
Down that one. It's got her.
Oh, I'm so close. I'm so please don't die.
I need help. I need help.
Hey, we got bad guys already.
Outside.
I will assist you.
Climbing. I downed one up top. I downed one up top.
On me! On me! Fuck!
Taking fire.
There
we
we go.
go.
Turn around.
I downed a hostile.
Watch out.
Wait. Fuck. Oh, he's
Oh,
almost
it's
dead.
one shot. One shot.
Shit. Yeah, he is. Nah, he disappeared. Revive him. Wait, he brought
He's
back.
waiting.
He came back. La, 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 la.
One moment.
Too bad I can't open my inventory and just dropped it.
He's upstairs. I heard him.
He's on you.
Taking fire. Reloading.
There you go. He's got to reload.
I'm dead.
Nope. I faked.
Good shit.
There you
Got
go.
him. Let's go.
Nailed that
Yep,
host.
get the loot.
Can't
Get
believe I'm
the
standing
loot.
still. You're lucky I like you.
Fucking go, man.
Let's go.
Good shit, dude.
See what a little bit of faith can do? Don't
Fucker.
mind me, I'm going
Can't believe I'm standing
lifeline.
still. You're lucky I like you. It wasn't my time.
Wait, that's on us, huh?
Yeah. I see. Ow! They see me!
I'm down.
Okay, cool. Dope. Watching you with the wraith gear. Yes, sir. Spinning around your little knife. Oh, you think you're so cool, huh? You think you're so cool because you have an heirloom.
Yeah.
I think you're so
I'm
much
happy
better
with-
than us because
You know how,
have an
how
heirloom.
fucking badly I wanted this damn heirloom? Or
Oh,
just
here's some
heirloom
more.
in general?
Can we get damage check?
That was
Uh,
awesome.
I'm embarrassed, but 725.
Let's not do a damage check.
Yeah. I
I
don't
only
think
got
I got
422. I'm like, the fuck happened? I didn't get.
I
two
didn't
kills
even
or
get
something.
that. I'm not nowhere near you guys because I haven't been in the fight all the time.
There's 4 squads left. Just saying.
Yeah.
Damn!
Right?
Yep, Jasmine's right here. I see the stream light is fitting quite nicely.
Oh, you put it up the oh, wow, you actually did. Oh, it's like, did you see my comment? He was talking about a hung horse.
How long are we talking? That's what
When
she
the
said.
fuck was I talking about a hung horse?
Uh,
I hung a horse on my wall.
he said, look how hung my horse is. Or something like that.
I did not say that. You're putting words in my mouth just like your brother.
I don't put words in your
I
mouth, bro.
said, how hung you talking?
You do
What
this a
up?
lot, actually.
Damn!
Getting shot at.
Oh, shit. Actually.
Scanning the area.
Tagged him a few times.
Oh, yeah, I really am.
Yo, grab
Interesting.
Tagged him again. One flesh.
No, he's got purple. I just saw it.
No, there was one that had flesh on.
No, he just popped the shield thing is what I'm saying.
No, there was 2 over there, Titus.
Yeah, I know what he's talking about. There it is.
Down one.
fire.
Watch out!
Oh, watch out! I'm out. Let me
getting
let
the
me
fuck out.
redo my shields and stuff.
Ah.
Damn!
We're already in the ring.
Fuck! I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
I'm so
Oh,
sorry,
shit.
Javon. I'm so sorry.
Shooting at me?
Shit, there's
Third
2
party
of them.
and shit.
Yep, I know. I cracked the third party.
I'm down.
Oh,
Oh,
3
yeah.
of them. Never mind.
We've got
Lola has red. Yeah,
Heads up, we're not
That's right.
alone. Bad guys, let's do this.
I did not mean to ping my banner.
Yo.
I was trying to get that
Another
shit.
bad guy.
It's not just
Weird.
about getting
Oh my god.
it. It's about taking it.
It's the fucking one squad.
The
Seer. That
the seer
seer
that
was
was
the third
shooting.
party. Yeah, and I was fighting him.
I can
That's
see it
why I
again,
hate
guys.
games like this, bro. Third party and like some fucking rats and bitches, bro. No mama having little ass turds, bro. I don't even know how many kills I had.
He got
1, I think.
2?
2?
I
2
know
or
I had
1,
a
either one.
knock.
it was 2.
2 or 1. I didn't have 1, motherfucker.
She
I
said,
killed fucking old
"Goddamn
boy
it."
up top and then the Wraith.
It was 203. That was your stats. Kills, death. No. Kills, knock, assists.
Good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the old.